Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable ads and how to stop ads in OPPO mobile or OPPO Android phone. So especially if you had OPPO phone, you can disable pop-ups ads when you try to access untrusted sources, untrusted web, you download from the untrusted sources. Usually there is a adware, malware that follow the downloaded files. So here, in order to prevent, you can try to go to the settings on your phone and scroll down and try to find connection and sharing. You can tap it. Here you can scroll down again and use the private DNS. You can tap it, and here we go. This is the designated private DNS. Tap it and tap modify. So you can use dns.edgard.com in order to prevent ads that popping up, showing up on your phone. And this is the free one. You can get another private DNS, but usually is the paid one. So this is the dns.edgard.com is the free one, so you can use it for free without paid. But here there's a note. Private DNS is a mechanism used for encrypted transfer. Once connected, it helps to enhance network security, but it may also lead to network latency and connection failure. If you select this option, designated private DNS, please pay attention to your network connection. And also, there are some free DNS that you can try. For example, Cloudflare. If you use Google Chrome, you can tap three dots at the top of your screen. Go to the settings and privacy and security. You can find secure DNS. So you can try Cloudflare. So you can turn on secure DNS and choose Cloudflare. By default will be Google public DNS, or if you want to filter, you can use clean browsing family filter. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also contact button below. See you in the next video.